So guys, hello. We're now here in San Francisco, USA. It's our first time. So it was been a 10-hour flight coming from Taiwan. So nag-layover tayo sa Taiwan for 5 hours. We left Manila at 3:40 in the morning. It was November 29, Friday. And pagdating namin dito sa USA, November 29, Friday ng umaga, 6 a.m. And just to share, kanina din, nasa Pacific Ocean dumadaan, di ba? May 30 minutes na turbulence. First time na turbulence na 30 minutes na gumagalaw, nag-shake talaga yung buong plane. First time namin na-experience yun. So anyway, we're here. We're gonna explore San Francisco and we hope we'll enjoy this stay. Hey guys, tapos na kami sa immigration. So, maganda sa immigration nila kapag family kayo and also mga partners or magkakaibigan, pwede na kayo sa isang window. And napakabait nung immigration na nasaktuhan namin. Babae, I'm not sure kung pure American siya, no? But she's very beautiful. No, tinanong lang kung saan yung mga pupuntahan namin. Hi guys, so tapos na kami sa immigration, medyo madaling and we were able to finish it. Napakabait nung nasaktuhan namin na immigration officer, less questions and she's a very happy girl, good vibes, no? And she only asked kung ano yung mga itinerary namin, actually yung cities na pupuntahan namin sa San Francisco, sa US, no? And then also so yan, nandito na kami sa arrivals. Merong train dito, they call it BART. At yun ang sasakyan natin going to our hotel near Union Square. So sana mahanap natin ng maayos. I'm not sure kung anong oras nagbubukas siya, but time check, it's actually, no, isa ba? 9 a.m? 7:42. No, it's 7:42, almost 8 a.m. No, US time. So ito yung arrival hall ng San Francisco International Airport. Smooth naman yung aming immigration experience as well as yung baggage namin. Ayan. And guys, pagdating nyo dito sa San Francisco International Airport, sa arrival hall, makikita nyo yung sign yan, BART trains. No? So, it's a city train of San Francisco. So ngayon, yun ang pupuntahan natin. Titingnan natin kung open na. As far as I know, meron tinatawag dito na Clipper. Yun yung kanilang what do you call this, parang anong tawag sa atin nun? Yung beep card natin sa Philippines or octopus card naman pagdating sa Hong Kong, no? So yun, so titingnan natin. And so yan guys, akit pa tayo. Meron nga pala dito mga option na parang grab sa atin. They have Lyft and of course Uber, no? So guys, so may kanilang departure area. No, so nasa third floor yung BART trains. Okay din yung kanilang airport. No, ano tayo yan. So yan, ito na guys, no, BART trains to city. So we'll inquire paano bumili ng ticket. So and meron sila mga ticket vending machine. And so, bibili tayong Clipper card. Issue fee is $3. Insert bill, coin, max, extra swipe, credit or ATM card. So, try mo muna sa'yo. So, tatry natin. Bibili ng Clipper card. So, ito yung BART system map nila. Bababa tayo sa Powell Station. Where's Powell Station? Hanapin natin later.
Credit card ang kailangan?
Credit card. So, credit and debit card tinatanggap. No need for PIN daw. Paano bibili ng Clipper card? So, required talaga bumili. So, of course, piliin nyo muna yung language. And then, using your debit card or credit card. Ayan, baliktad. Ayun. A credit card. And then $3 card issue fee. Yes. So ito yung total amount na ma-charge sa inyo kasi mag-debit pa. Laman ng card is 17, di ba? Tapos ito lang yung pipiliin. Okay. And then yes. And then you have your Flipper card. Yes. Linis ba yung airport ng station, yung train nila, di ba? So guys, nandito na tayo sa BART train station. Konti lang yung tao. I'm not sure kasi maaga pa. Pero of course, no, gusto natin ma-experience yun. Kasi ito yung pinaka-cheapest way to travel the city. No? And at the same time, may magandang things papakita ko sa inyo. So yun ang views ng San Francisco. Guys, ito ang San Bruno Station.
San Bruno. This is a yellow line train to Pittsburgh Midpoint.
So guys, ito na yung Powell Street Station. Pero walang tao. Feeling ko ano dito, car-centric, no? Kaya wala masyadong tao. Pero station. Ito na tayo sa Powell Station. Ito yung kanilang exit station. Ayan. Dito kayo magstay sa Super 8 by Wyndham, San Francisco near Union Square. Nandun na yung Macy's, Union Square. Okay na. No? Merong convenience store. And ito yung neighborhood. Yeah, guys, merong tram. We will try to ride the tram in the next coming days. Tuloy tayo. Guys, we're here now inside. Guys, inside. Guys, kahapon Thanksgiving. Now it's a Black Friday, November 29. So they have some discount. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Macy's where you can see maraming mga discounted. So guys, ang dami dito mga winter clothes, trench coats. CK, Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors, and dami, no? Pati Tommy Hilfiger, ang ganda, Kenneth Cole, and Black Friday discounted right now. So talagang okay na okay mamili dito ng mga winter clothes. Guys, ito yung aming room sa Super 8 by Wyndham, San Francisco. So, it's double bed, no? May AC. I think city view to. Nasa labas. Yes, city view. Ayan, so yun yung view natin sa labas. Okay, pag dinire-diretso nyo yun guys, Union Square na. Actually, makikita nyo na yung Macy's Square. Macy. Na department store, no? So, must visit yun dito sa US. So, may TV. And obviously, maganda yung bed, makapal. What's this? Maka-closet to. Yeah, closet nga siya. Okay, may mini ref, may desk, may telephone, and I think initan to ng tubig. So may kasama ng mga 30 and yeah. Yun. Also sa CR, malaki din yung CR. Ganda, oh, ayan. Okay, I like this. Okay, pati yung sink maganda din. Okay, may bathtub. Nice. Okay, alam nyo guys, very affordable tong na to. Itong hotel na to na book namin dito sa San Francisco kasi actually pricey yung mga hotel dito, and kapag first time nyo sa San Francisco, better magstay malapit sa Union Square, no? Kasi ibang mga areas dito, maraming homeless. So although naibabalik na nila unti-unti yung peace and order, manonotice nyo sa mga daan may mga police and security. Kasi naging notorious din tong San Francisco area sa mga robbery and theft. Kaya talaga ngayon vigilant sila kasi obviously yung reputation ng San Francisco is affected at maraming negosyo nagpo-pull out, nagko-close dahil sa mga crime na nangyayari, lalong-lalo na yung theft, no? So itong area na to very okay siya kasi walking distance lang siya sa lahat, safe, okay din yung reception, and then yung room may breakfast pang kasama, no? So guys, nandito tayo sa Union Square dito sa San Francisco, and as you can see, Christmas is alive here in San Francisco because of their Christmas tree. And right opposite to that is Macy's, which is bumili kami ng mga jackets din. So yan, Pasko na. San Francisco at night. What time is it? Anong oras na? 5. So guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa sikat na Target at explore natin kung ano yung mabibili natin dito. So ito yung makikita natin sa Target. So guys, we're here at Ross. Yung kanilang caption is slogan, dress for less. You know? So if you're looking for some more savings here in the US, I think this is a good place to buy. May mga electronics, perfume, jewelries, clothing, you know. So yung mga choices nyo, Macy's, Ross, and Target. Sa Macy's, mga branded na damit, and may mga discounts siya per season like the Black Friday discount. So ito yung loob ng Ross. So pumunta tayo sa 3rd floor para tumingin ng mga men's fashion. So ito yung mga product. How much is this? So $12.99 for Adidas cap. Okay, adjustable fit. Parang gusto ko nito. $12 lang, no? And they also have Columbia. So ito yung mga price nila. So actually it's $18, now down to $12.99. Gusto ko to. The biggest Twix I ever seen in my entire life. So yun ang kanilang street food, hot dogs, and may mga natitinda din ng mga ganito, parang sa Pilipinas lang. So this is around past 6 p.m. here at Union Square sa San Francisco. Ayun, natawid na tayo. So guys, now we're gonna take our dinner dito sa The Cheesecake Factory. Dito sa Macy's. don't know what to do. So mag-inquire tayo, pipila tayo. Ang daming tao. May takeout din, but may dine-in. Merong in, as in inside, and then outside. Or we have an overlooking view of the Union Square. So guys, umipot kami dito because it's a 2-hour wait time and we can't afford that. So we decided na pumili na lang sa takeout. Okay, so dito mag-takeout kami ng food. Pero I think mga cakes lang. Tama? Marvis. Okay. So, but if you wanted to eat here sa Cheesecake Factory, definitely need to do an online reservation. Gagawin namin yun. Na-try namin paano i-book online para magkaroon tayo ng experience on how to dine in here at the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so ito yung mga options na cheesecake nila. Ang dami, mukhang masasarap. You know? Ayun yung takeout. You know? So kung hindi naman kayo malas kumain, you can just order one. Pero kung trip nyo lahat tikman, definitely you can order per slice or one whole cake. Yung price, ayun.
Let's go for the original.
Price.
Original?
Sige. So there you go. So waiting for our order. Two slices of cake. And once we're done, they're going to call your name. Ito kami bumili guys ng souvenirs.
Did it ring?
Yes.
Not yet. I'm just gonna get you one that rings.
So, mukhang mas mura na dito. Kaya dito namin bibili. So guys, ito yung binili natin sa The Cheesecake Factory. Tinake-out natin. Kasi 2 hours yung wait time. So, we can't afford to wait for 2 hours. So, bumili lang kami ng takeout. Unfortunately, cake yung binili namin. Well, cake naman talaga kasi talaga ang parang main product ni The Cheesecake Factory. Pero, pwede kayo daw mag-dine in. May mga food talaga na hindi lang cake, no? So, unfortunately, since walang time at mahaba pila and yung wait time mahaba, bumili lang na tayo. So, this one is the original cake nila. Okay, so I guess since it's the original cake nila, then it's a must try para at least may comparison tayo. Ito naman, this is pecan chocolate with turtle cake. Parang ganon. So, yeah. So, but siguro hindi na yun tumuubos kasi right now, gabi na. Lalagay muna namin sa